What's up folks, Teacher Excel here, and today I'm going to upgrade this wood trim on my Tesla Model Y. Over time, the sun has discolored this panel yellowy green. Time to upgrade. I got these new panels on Amazon for 45 bucks. I've placed a link down below. Let's unbox it. They are covers and will be going over the wood trim. It's the carbon fiber version. It's a package of 4 pieces, 2 covers for the dashboard and 2 covers for the door trim. I like this package since it includes all 4 instead of buying the dashboard and door trim separately. Here's how it looks out of the box. Let's first give all the surfaces a good wipe to remove all dirt and dust for better adhesion. Remove the sticker backing of each panel. Now carefully line up the panel with the edge of the trim. All the panels have an elbow edge that helps anchor it. Press down hard throughout the whole panel to ensure it sticks well. For the dashboard cover, you have to start with the right side as the left half will overlap in the middle joint. Here's the finished product, way sleeker and cleaner than the previous wood trim. I'd give it a 5-star Amazon rating and a Make Easy approved badge. Here's before and after shots. I'm happy with the results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, or comment for more Make Easy Tesla accessory tips and tricks. And until our next one, stay well folks.